Nat gas gave another crash here and a major bearish candle here, breaking below 2.64. Yes, we have seen yesterday, we have discussed that below 2.64, do not think of buying gas. We may see it going closer towards 2.5 levels here. It has come towards 2.53. Now, what does it mean for gas? Can we expect a bounce back or is it going to stay bearish? Which position you should take in order to profit trading net gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment as well if you appreciate the effort. Let's start first to look into hourly. On the hourly charts, you can see net gas consolidated here in this zone and then gave a sharper breakout and it has come to the bottom level. Now, whether this is the bottom or there is much more to it, see, after the drop, it is just consolidating again. It is trying to trade in this zone. It is only to be treated bullish if you see it is staying beyond 2.65 levels. Then you can say that possibly we may look forward to a further rise towards 2.7 and plus levels. But it's still, I will consider that as a retracement, not a reversal. Stochastic hitting the bottom. Look at the hourly charts. MACD trading with sharper divergence, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. Yes, it has come to the bottom levels from where we have seen a rise in net gas. RSI extremely oversold, coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts. See, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. It is trying to consolidate. Once you see the price is staying beyond 2.56 levels, we can initiate a buying position. Yes, the lower levels should be above 2.56 in order to confirm for the rise. Too much of divergence of price from the moving average calls for it to retrace a little, where the moving average comes down slowly and the prices rises up slowly as well. So 2.56, if you are buying, 2.6 is the first resistance zone and 2.64 is the next resistance zone here. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover a bit. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bearishness. Candle size have appeared to be flattened here. Last, what we have seen on the 2-hour charts, whenever it hits this level, it tries to bounce back. So possibly it may try to retrace a little on the upside. RSI is oversold. Coming to 3-hour, look at 3-hour charts. Higher lows, lower highs, trying to consolidate. Once you see the price is staying below 2.53, we have to initiate a selling position again. But then 2.5, 2.48 is a very critical support zone, and below 2.48 it is directly going to land at 2.4 levels. Remember these levels here. If you notice on the 3-hour charts, what it is trying to do, it is change the slope here. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel here, where the highs are at 2.7. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold as well. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, remember, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, which calls for it to pull back a little. Now, where you should buy, as I said, beyond 2.56, we can initiate a buying position. Expect 2.6, 2.65 levels, and it can scale to further highs as well. Yes, right now what we are looking at, it is taking the resistance from the 20 period moving average, which is looking sharply downside. Also, it has come out of this gradual bearish channel. It is trading outside this. It can try to fall back within this zone, which means 2.6, 2.65 levels should be seen in the near term. And if you notice this, after consolidating for a while, it has given a breakout here at 2.67, which makes these levels at achievable, and it makes these levels as a greater resistance. See, it is consolidated here and then this breakout is seen. So possibility of a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold as well. Coming to the day. Now, before we look into the charts further, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, the coming Sunday, we have a webinar coming in where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the next week, where the FOMC is going to be the decisive factor. Do not miss this webinar. This is a free webinar. So yes, this is an opportunity for you to encash. The link is there in the communities tab in my channel and video description. In the channel, when you go to the community, you'll find the post where you can just fill up the form and register. Also, you can get the details on my free Telegram channel, the link for which is also available on the channel and video description. Now, On the daily charts, see the behavior of gas. First of all the 20 and 50 have crossed over here. 20 and 100 is crossed over, and now 50 and 100 is on the verge of a crossover. $3 levels, greater resistances, 2.9 to $3 levels. Now, if you notice the behavior for gas, the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So, can you expect it to retrace? There is a possibility to it. Now, first of all, this is the larger channel in which it is trading. The top of this channel is somewhere here at 2.75, 2.8 zone. The next is in the near term, it is scaled or it has created a further bearish channel or a further sharper channel. Now, the highs here at around 2.7, 2.65. Second is it has almost hit the bottom here, and from these levels there is a possibility of a retracement. But until you see the net gas staying above 2.7, it should not treat for a reversal. Stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely bearish here. It is looking downside, and it appears. But see, the rise here was sharper. The bearishness is still a little gradual from what we have seen with the rise, and the RSI has come to oversold levels. The second observation here on the daily charts, let me show you something on the closer time frame. Now see, this is the first support levels here at 2.5 to 2.48 zone. I have discussed this several times. These are the triple bottom from where this earlier rise has started. It has come down to the same levels. The next is the channel here in which it is trading, and the bottom of this channel is 2.4. Thus, 2.48, 2.4 levels are going to remain a greater support zone. It is only to be treated bearish if it stays below 2.4. You can say more bearishness is going to prevail. For the day, I will recommend you to sell only when you see the higher prices, or I will say this price below 2.52 now. Yes, if you see it is staying below 2.52, you can say that the prices have turned bearish, and you can look forward to 2.48 and 2.45 and 2.4 levels as well. If not today, possibly in the near term. But at the same time, it has to retrace a little. There is too much of divergence. Thus, if you see the price is staying above, the lower price staying above 2.56, you can buy. Expect 2.58, 2.6 as the resistance zone. Beyond 2.6 is where little bullishness can be expected, towards 2.6465 as the first target, 2.7 as the next target. Yes, the faster the drop calls for a faster rise, but right now, though it is not showing much signs, however, it can try to retrace a little. The more it moves on the upside, more bulls will pitch in and it will enter into buy zone. Right now, as long as 2.8 is not there, we are going to treat this as a minor retracement. Above 3, 3.1 is the complete retracement or reversal. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, and the free webinar series. All the details are available on my platform www.forexfunda.com and on my Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. All the links are there in the channel and video description as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.